Welcome back to my 24 Real Life Journey series. In the last episode, we talked about age 2 and the importance of getting back up every single time we fall. Today, we move on to a year of expression. Welcome to episode 3. When I turned 3 years old, a whole new world unlocked for me. This was the age of words. I wasn't just crying for making random baby sounds anymore. I was learning how to speak clear words, form little sentences, and tell my family what I wanted. But when you are 3, your words are not perfect. You mispronounce things, you make funny mistakes, and sometimes people don't understand what you were trying to say. Yet, as a 3-year-old, I wasn't quiet. I didn't care if my grammar was wrong. I didn't care if my pronunciation wasn't perfect. I kept talking, I kept laughing, and kept asking a million questions because I wanted to connect with the world around me. But here is the turning point of age 3, and it is the lesson that completely changed my life as an adult. Your voice doesn't have to be perfect to be powerful. Somewhere along the way, as we grow up, we become quiet. We get afraid of what people will think of us. We want to speak a new language. We want to share our ideas online. Or we want to stand up for ourselves. But we stay silent because we are afraid of making mistakes. We worry that someone will laugh at our accent or judge our words. But look at your younger self at age 3. You spoke because you had something to say, not because you wanted to look perfect. Your voice is a gift. It is how you teach, how you heal, and how you share your heart with the world. So today, my message to you is simple. Stop letting the fear of judgment silence you. Speak your truth, practice that language, share your story, and use your voice. The world is waiting to hear you. Thank you for watching episode 3. Drop a comment below with one word that describes how you want to feel this year. It's me, Learn with Fariha. Stay motivated with me. I'll see you tomorrow for episode 4, inshallah.